24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. As we know that there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activity. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Introduce yourself to them. Then ask them to introduce themselves. If some children are shy and hesitant to speak, the teacher is supposed to introduce them to the whole class. Let us learn about the English alphabet. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Today, let's read the letters and say their sounds. Encourage the children to sing the ABC song first. Repeat the song twice or as needed. After singing the song, paste the flashcards or write the alphabet on the board. Now, focus on each letter along with its sound. Say the letter name and its sound and encourage the children to repeat after you. Recognition of letter and sound activity. Once all the letters are done, randomly point towards any child. Then call out any letter and encourage that child to tell its sound. Repeat this activity with multiple children. Formation of letters. Draw 4 lines similar to the book on the writing board. Write all the letters within 4 lines with correct formation for the children. Involve the children in this by asking different questions like, in how many lines should I write the letter D? Should the letter Y touch the top line or not? Ask them to open their books and write capital and small letters. Reinforcement worksheet can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.